This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Denton. This stunning home has everything you are looking for. With 5 bedrooms, an open floor plan and tons of updates, this home is move-in ready. Maintained with care, this property has a modern kitchen, custom closets and beautifully updated bathrooms. Enjoy pure luxury in the huge primary suite, which features a fireplace, a soaking tub, separate custom shower, a double sink vanity and walk-in closet. The beautifully fenced-in backyard and deck are great for entertaining and recreation. For more information, review the details below.